Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Rodriguez Mamasagot channel, a faith healer o Zumata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tingnan natin nagsabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a special gabay for the month of March 11 hanggang March 17 for the sign of Taurus. Taurus, welcome sa my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaka for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Taurus signs ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a journey lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos updated kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel, lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng adsaway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages advice ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Taurus? So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Taurus signs ang ating mahagilap? So guys, ito ngayon at bubulabugin natin ng angel spirit. Please give me an information po. Okay, so this is something the high fist is. So something in hidden agenda, hidden enemies. No, may mga bagay dyan na parang nakatago, no? Kumbaga unti-unti mong mailalantad o mailalabas, no? Kung ano man yung mga bagay na kailangan mo malaman at maunawaan. Ay, something unexpected ship, no? Kailangan mo magtiwala sa atin po ang may kapal. Paano niya babaguhin, no, ang iyong kapalaran? And this is something the Queen of Swords. Lagi mo pakakatandaan na lagi mong titignan yung magiging outcome or possibilities. No, tingnan mo lagi yung disadvantage and advantage ng bawat situation. And protective, no? Protectionan mo at pangalagaan ko ano man yung meron ka, no? And this is something guys with the Knight of Wands, no? Subaybayan, mag-ingat, maging tahimik at magtiyaga ka sa kung ano man yung bagay na ginagawa mo. No? Napakalapit mo na para may isa katuparan nito. Unti-unti mo itong makahawakan, close to success. So let's see what is additional messages. And this is something that you want. So waiting for a ship, no? May mga pasilip dito ng ating gabay na para makita mo na yung magiging kalalabasan ng gusto mong mangyari. No? There's a something trouble. And there's something I'm waiting for document and paper. So there's a possible na dumating na. No, kung may hinihintay kang information na maaring dumating na talaga siya. No, and this is something that you've got celebration, no? Makakaramdam ka dito ng mga tuloy-tuloy na kaligayahan, no? May mga celebration na mangyayari dito. There's something unite or reunite. No, there's something reunion, celebration, parties. No, there's a lot of family gatherings. So let's see what is additional messages. And there's a Five of Cups in reverse. So something guys na maaalisin na, no? Yung mga disappointment na parang unti-unti mo nang tatanggapin na it's kumbaga nature, no? Parang natural na yon, gato ganyan, normal na yan, gato ganyan. Kumbaga unti-unti mo natatanggal mo na yung ego mo, no? Natatanggal mo na yung mga ganong negative thoughts. So let's see what is the high fist is. So, represent with the Four of Pentacles for saving money, no? Kumbaga ngayon, protection at papangalagaan mo na yung sarili mo dito. May mga biglaan ng pagbabago na hindi mo inaadya, no? Yung sinasabi guys na kailangan mag-ipon ka, mag-imbak ka, no? Pagdating sa mga emergency purposes, no? Mayroon kang iuhugot, no? So, mag-ingat, magtabi, mag-ipon, mag-imbak. Kasi may mga unexpected shift talaga na mangyayari, especially pagdating sa health issues mo. So, let's see what is the Queen of Swords. Represent with the Six of Wands, for the victory is yours, maaaring magiging matagumpay ka talaga. Na unti-unti mo masisila yung sarili mo sa tuktok, no, ng eksena mo. No, kung baga, unti-unti mo matatanaw, no, yung mga gusto mo ay maaaring maisakatuparan mo na. Ganon. Let's see what is the Knight of Wands. Reference with the Devil card. Oh, ito yung sinasabi ko, tahimik ka, kumaga maging mabusisi ka, kailangan magtiyaga ka sa ginagawa mo kasi there's a Devil card. Maraming tuso, no? Maraming tao na hahadlangan, no? Na yung kung paano mo pagyayabong yung sarili mo, lalo-lalo na kapag nag-share ka ng mga information, no? Kumbaga sa'yo, kumbaga it's normal na magbigay ng mga impormasyon na lalo-lalo na kung may mga na-achieve ka, piniflex mo with other people. Pero hindi mo alam kung ano yung mga impact sa kanila no, na naiinggit sila. No, hindi mo alam yung inggit nila, they ruin your life. No, they ruin your plans. they ruin your dreams, no? Kaya kailangan, guys, maging matalino ka sa pagbibigay ng mga impormasyon. So, there's a Three of Wands. So, represent what? There's a Wheel of Fortune. There's a something turning back, no? Ito na yung maaaring ibalik na sa'yo at iikot na ang bagong kapalaran sa'yo na this is the moment, no? Ito na yung hinintay mo, ito na yung gusto mo mangyari, ibibigay na sa'yo. And this is something God will provide, no? Binibigay na, pinagkakaloob na, may mga pasilip na kailangan mo na maging handa. Let's see what is the Three of Cups. Represent with the Seven of Cups. Now, there's a something confusion. Now, or there's a something dreams coming in for you. Now, marami pumapasok sa panaginip mo, marami pumapasok sa isipan mo, and there's a lot of choices and options now coming in for you. Let's see what is the Five of Cups in reverse. Represent with the Ten of Pentacles. This is something for long term, no? Kumbaga, acceptable, no? Kumbaga, tinatanggap mo na kung ano man yung mga bagay na nangyayari sa'yo sa kasalukuyan. Unti-unti mo na nakikita yung magiging, kumbaga, good impact sa'yo na lahat ng mga nangyayari kaya nawawala. Kumbaga, nalalaman mo na kung ano yung nangyari kaya parang nadi-disappoint ka sa lahat ng eksena na hindi mo nakukuha yung opportunity na yon. Kumbaga, there's something blessing this, guys, no? Kumbaga, may tulong sa'yo ang ating gabay na kaya nangyayari to, kasi it's a God purpose, kaya nangyari to kasi inaalis ka sa mga bagay na makakasama for you. No, kasi magkakaroon ka ng pangmatagalan especially for finances. Now, let's see what is the High Priestess and the Four of Pentacles. So, referencing with the Ace of Swords, there's a breakthrough. No, may tagumpay talaga dito na maaaring bibigyang liwanag sa'yo, no? At ipapasok sa ideas mo, no? Or sa iyong isipan, no? Na malalaman mo kung ano yung kahulugan ng mga kaganapan sa buhay mo, especially pagdating sa finances. Magiging wais ka na, magiging matalino ka na, how to manage your money, no? Kumbaga liliwanagin at kumbaga lilinawin sa'yo kung ano ba talagang kahalagahan ng mga bagay na pinaghirapan mo. This is the Queen of Swords, the Six of Wands. Represent what? The Queen of Swords, the Six of Wands, represent with the Strength card. Confident, no? Lakasan ng loob mo, maging matapang ka, no, kailangan palaban ka. Lagi mo pakakatandaan yung bawat action mo, kailangan pag-iisipan mo. No, hindi pwedeng ura-urada, bira-birada. Kailangan, kumbaga, lahat ng mga bagay na yan, alam mo, dapat yung magiging consequences. No? Para, kumbaga, handa ka. Hindi ka takot, no? Mawalan, hindi ka takot magkamali. Kumbaga, kailangan lakas loob mong harapin. No, kung naman yung mga bagay na nangyari sa kasalukuyan. This is the Nine of Wands, and the Devil card. Represent with the Eight of Wands. So, there's something, ayun nga sinasabi ko, communication, no, transactions, no, nakakaranas ka ng delays. No, nakakaranas ka ng something cancellation. Dahil dito with the Devil card. No, marami kasing evil eye, no, maraming inggitera, maraming mga taong, kumbaga, nai-insecure sa kung ano man ang meron ka. Hindi mo pa nakukuha, hindi mo pa nakakamit yun, pero hinaharangan nila makuha mo yun. No? So, let's see what is the Three of Wands because the Wheel of Fortune. Represent with the Hangman. See, ito yung sinasabi ko, there's a delays and cancellation. This is the Hangman. You're feeling stuck. You're feeling stuck, and of course, you're feeling hang. No? Feeling mo hindi ka makalis sa situation. Ganun siya. Kaya sinasabi ko sa'yo dito, there's a Wheel of Fortune. Imbis na swertihin ka, imbis na maging maganda na yung kapalaran mo, ang nangyayari dito, puro kamalasan, no? Puro pagkakagastusan, no? Kumbaga, imbis na maganda na yung flow ng buhay mo o yung eksena mo, nagkakaroon ng mga hindi mo mapaliwanag na pangyayari. Ganon. This is the Three of Cups because the Seven of Cups. Represent what? Represent with the Page of Swords. There's something to get more information, being curiosity. No, kailangan tuklasin mo, alamin mo, no, yung mga bagay na makakatulong sa'yo. Yung mga bagay na magbibigay katuparan, no, sa mga hinihiling mo. No, dahil marami pang opportunities, marami ka pang bagay na dapat malaman, marami ka pang bagay na dapat maunawaan, no? So let's see what is the Five of Cups in reverse because the Ten of Pentacles. There's a Six of Swords with the transition at unti-unti ka na makakalaya sa situation. Na unti-unti ka na makakawala sa kung ano man yung ginagalawan mo. No, kung ano man yung estado mo, sa buhay mo, sa sitwasyon mo, unti-unti mo na yung mapapalaya. So, let's see what is the outcome. For the outcome, represent what? With the World card. There's something trouble. Now, there's something success coming in for you. Na magtatagumpay ka na. No, may mga bagay na may isa sa katuparan mo na, and there's the sun card. Bibigyan liwanag sa ito. Babaguhin talaga yung mundong ginagalaw mo dito, guys, no? There's something na iikot ang bagong kapalaran sa iyo na magdadala sa iyo ng success. And of course, a freedom. So let's see, additional outcome. And this is something, the death card, a transformation. See? This is something that ending and new beginning. No? May mga bagay lang natatapusin sa'yo. Yung mga light attitudes mo or kumbaga yung mga ugali mo na hindi nakakatulong. No? For your everyday routines. No? Kumbaga babaguhin to. Ang laking pagbabago na mangyari sa buhay mo. So let's see what is additional messages for finances and career. So this is a 10 of Wands, no? There's something burden. Pagdating sa finances, napakabigat, ang daming obligation, ang daming bayarin, ang daming utang. And this is the 4 of Wands, no? There's something, kumbaga celebration, no, coming in for you. And this is something community, isa rin to sa nagano kasi marami kang obligasyon sa pamilya mo, no? Especially kung may mga anak ka na, or especially, kumbaga kung may pinapag-aral ka. So dito, kumbaga sinasabi dito, marami ka pang, kumbaga, obligasyon. So let's see, one more card please. And this is something, the 4 of Swords, no? There's a rest. Ipahinga mo yung utak mo. Labanan mo yung takot at pangamba mo. No, magtutuloy-tuloy daw itong eksena nito. And there's a the King of Cups. No, there's a something guidance with ancestor guides. No, may taong gumagabay at sumusuporta sa'yo dito. So, pagdating naman tayo sa love life, there's a 6 of Pentacles. So, there's a something giving, receiving something by the universe. Ibig sabihin, magiging balanse at magiging maganda na ang iyong relasyon. No, balance at control. And there's the Hierophant for us lesson learned. And this is something, guys, na some of you meron ditong marriage na maaaring, kumbaga, humantong for separation. Or there's something humantong sa marriage din, no? Kumbaga, magkakaroon ng higher level commitment. So, let's see, one more card, please. And this is the 9 of Pentacles, a blossoming. No? Maging lalago na ang inyong pagsasama. No? Gaganda na ang inyong relasyon. Pagdating tayo sa health, represent what? Represent with the 6 of Cups. Now, there is something, a past situation, no? Kumbaga may mga pinanggagalingan sa nakaraan na hanggang ngayon nararamdaman mo pa rin. And this is something, guys, with the 10 of Swords, sabotage, no? May taong sumabotahe sa'yo, may taong gumagawa behind your back, especially with your family. No? Family related tong gumagawa sa iyo, and this is the 9 of Swords. Kaya ka nakakaranas ng anxiety, sleepless nights. No, nakikita mo yan na parang balisa siya, hindi siya makatulog. No, that because of this 10 of Swords, sabotage, no? With your own relatives or family related. So let's see, guys, no? What is additional messages with the Yin and Yang Oracle card? With the Yin and Yang Oracle card, represent what? Represent with the actions, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mong kumilos, gumalaw, kailangan mong magdesisyon. And this is something, the Moon card, no? With the truth reveal. Ilalantad, ibabahagi yung mga bagay na kailangan mong malaman. And this is something, apology. Mahihingi ng tawad from the past, no? And there's a nurture, no? Para sinasabi dito na ipakita mo kung ano talaga yung pag-ibig mo or pagmamahal mo, hindi lang sa ibang tao kundi sa sarili mo. Let's see what is additional messages with the synchronicities represent what? For synchronicities represent with rebel. Meron dito nagre-rebelde. No? Some of you guys, maaring nagre-rebelde ka or yung person mo nagre-rebelde. And this is something with the invitation. Now, there's a story on Parrot, no? Meron kasing nag-uujok, no? Meron kasing nag-uutos, so meron ditong parang nagbe-brainwash sa tao na to. And there's record. Kailangan mong magkaroon ng paninindigan sa sarili mo at magkaroon ka ng sariling disposisyon. No, meron ditong nag-uujok, meron ditong nag-chismis na kung ano-ano. Kaya parang itong tao na to nagre-rebelde. Parang, kumbaga, I don't know kung anong pinanggagalingan itong tao na to. Charis. So, let's see what is additional messages with our magical fairy messages. And there's a reformation. No? Kumbaga, always being positive and being optimistic. No? Kumbaga, kung ano man yung mga bagay na gusto mong mangyari, gusto mong makuha, dapat all positive dapat. No? Para maging positive yung outcome. And there's a let go. No, may mga bagay na kailangan mo pakawalan at bitawan. And this is something dietary change. No, kailangan mo mag-diet. Iwas-iwas mo yung pagdalalamon, no? So, let's see what is the Romance Angel with the Mystic Love Oracle deck. Mystic Love Oracle deck represent what? Oh, there's a sex, good night, no? So, kumbaga, meron dito, guys, a good time with the sex, no? Meron dito parang, kumbaga, mahilig sa sex. And there's an addiction, see? There's something addiction with a healthy attachment. No? Kumbaga, meron addiction talaga with the sex dito. No? At masyado kang, masyado kang aggressive, no? Pagdating sa sex. And there's reconciliation. Meron talaga ditong parang na-miss yung isa't isa. Meron ditong babalik, no? From the past na maaring magiging marupok ka this time. No? Let's see what is Archangel Michael messages. Let's see. What is additional messages for Archangel Michael? Oh, magiging mapusok ka. So, magiging padalos-dalos ka, and this is something you and your lovers are safe, no? Pagdating sa mahal mo sa buhay, safe naman daw, and use your imagination and you see the answer, no? Kung baga sinasabi dito, gamitin mo yung intuition mo para makita mo lahat ng kasagutan sa lahat ng katanungan mo. For the angels, answer represent what? And there's something, wait, na marunong ka maghintay, huwag ka masyadong ura-urada, bira-birada. And this is something romance, no? Especially pagdating sa love life. And there's something taking action. Kailangan mo lang kumilos, kailangan mo lang gumalaw. Hindi ko sinabi magmadali ka. No? Kailangan mo lang, kumbaga, gumawa ng solution or gumawa ng eksena na alam mong hindi ka magsisisi at the end of that time. And there's something, let your friends help you. Naya mo yung mga kaibigan mong tulungan ka, i-guide ka, and there's a calling your soulmate. Na tinatawagan soulmate mo dito. And there's a honeymoon. May honeymoon talaga. There's something happiness and bliss together. So, let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's an empathy, no? Titingnan mo lagi yung both side of situation. Hindi ka pwedeng one-sided lang. And this is something of friendship. Malaking factor sa buhay mo sa love, sa eksena mo yung friend, no? Yung friendship. No, it's either nagsimula kayo sa friendship, no, nagkaroon kayo ng relationship, or either, guys, merong friendship dito na maaaring tumutulong sa'yo, or maaaring may nagmamanipulate sa'yo with your friends. So, let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. Kaya ka nagre-rebel dito dahil din sa kaibigan. No, and this is something with a weight. No, marunong ka maghintay. May weight talaga. So, ibig sabihin, nagiging padalos-dalos ka, aggressive ka. Gusto mo kagad makuha yung mga bagay na gusto mo maranasan kagad yung mga bagay na yon. Oh, marunong ka kumalma. And this is something, jump in. Say yes to change. Kailangan mo nang baguhin yung mga ganyang perspective mo. So, let's see what is our chakra messages. And there's a confessions, no? Huwag mo hayaan mahuli ang lahat, no? And there's a grip, no? Something lost, it's an opportunity and appreciating, no? May mga bagay na nawawala, kailangan mo lang talaga pahalagahan, no? Yung mga bagay na hawak-hawak mo pa. And this is something joy. Maging maligaya ka sa mga mangyayari sa'yo. At magiging maligaya ka talaga. So, let's see what is Archangel Raphael messages. And there's something home help. Kailangan talaga ng tulong ng inyong tahanan. The Archangel Raphael for healing. So, let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. And there is a planting, guys, no? There's a something, a manifesting. So, ibig sabihin, kumbaga mag-invest ka, magtanim ka, no? Ibig sabihin na magtanim parang, kumbaga, magpursige ka sa buhay, gawin mo yung mga bagay na makakatulong sa'yo. And there's an inner truth, no? Alamin mo yung mga, or ibig sabihin dito parang, madidiscover mo yung sarili mo dito na, kumbaga, mas may kailangan ka pang patunayan sa sarili mo. Or may kailangan ka pang i-develop sa sarili mo. Ganon. And there's an additional messages. And there's a practice. See? Polish your skill and enhance your ability. Sabi ko na diba? Kailangan mo palawigin ang kaalaman, kakayanan mo, skills, and develop your knowledge. And this is something, guys, with a builder, no? Mas palawakin mo at patibayin mo ang pundasyon mo. Para na sa ganun, may mga taong subukin ka pabagsakan pero hindi ka matitinag at hindi ka mabubuwag. No? Let's see what is the energy represent what? Energy represent with a journey, no? Meron talagang pagtahak, no? May mga bagay na kailangang pagdaanan, no? Bago mo makamtan yung liwanag na yan. This is something happy family. Magiging masaya yung pamilya mo in the near future. So, let's see what is additional messages. And this is something, guys, with you and your loved ones are safe. Na yung mahal mo talaga sa buhay, safe naman daw. Communicate is the key. So, kailangan mo makipag-communicate ng maayos. Huwag masyadong bugnutin at huwag masyadong, kumbaga, inaano yung pagiging mainitin ng ulo. Kumalma ka. Nagiging moody ka dito. And this is Jesus' loving quote said, Be of a good comfort, your faith has made you whole. So see, ikaw yung parang, ikaw yung kumbaga tutulong, no? Ay parang ikaw yung magbibigay ng aruga, something like that. Parang magiging maalaga ka sa mga tao sa paligid mo at ikaw din yung bubuo ng tiwala at pananampalataya mo. No, kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito, the more na gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, the more na parang itong bagay na ito makakabuti sa'yo ito, no, nandyan lagi sa tabi mo ang ating Panginoon, no, hindi kanya pinapakawala at hindi kanya binibitawan. No, kaya kailangan alam mo sa sarili mong grounds mo, magtiwala ka sa kakayanan at kaalaman mo, no, at mahalin mo yung mga bagay o tao sa sitwasyon mo, lalo-lalo na sa mga sa paligid mo. What is the angel's number represent what? Sa madaling salita, wala kang kalaban, no? And this is something na 555 for clarity. So, bibigyan liwanag, bibigyan linaw sa iyo lahat. You aren't victim for circumstances, rather you are the beneficiary of it. If the weren't cases, life would pretty dull. You will set yourself up for success in the long run. If you are willing to adapt to the ship, everything is working out of the best. At long last, you are accomplishing what you set out to do. Everything will work out perfectly in the end. See? Kumbaga, nasa tamang proseso ka, marunong kang kumalma. So, let's see what is the messages of life. Kalma, kalma, kalma. What is the messages of life represent what? A door to the infinite, no? Kumbaga, ito ang pintuan para sa walang hanggang kinabukasan. Charis. Kumbaga, walang humpay ito, no? Patuloy pa rin ang aral, no? At leksyon na matututunan mo sa buhay mo. At my heart center, there is a door that leads to the infinite. Today, I visit my heart center and open the door. As I enter, experience that deep sense of serenity, I understand that I am eternal, that I am indestructible. From here, I can see beyond in my life challenges to the higher level of my existence. I know now that my inner life is infinite. So see, alam mo sa sarili mo na lahat ng mga bagay na nangyayari sa buhay mo ay parte, no, kung paano hubugin yung sarili mo sa lahat ng karanasan na pinagdadaanan mo. Tandaan mo, lahat ng mga bagay na yan ay may lessons kang may lesson at aral kang makakamtan dyan. Kaya kailangan maging handa ka at matuto kang kumalma. So guys, this is a special gabay for the month of March 11 hanggang March 17 for the sign of Taurus. So Taurus, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading sa journey reading namang nila at makaka-resonate. Kung hindi lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo, comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nagsagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos. Update ko sa maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip na kadsaway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo at maraming salamat and see you next video. Bye-bye and babush!